Hey everybody, it's me. I literally just got home from work, and you might notice something a bit different in my room. It looks a bit cleaner, I should say. I cleaned it, I cleaned my room, either yesterday or the day before. I think it was the day before yesterday. But anyways, there's that. So today, we are going to be looking at another box. That's right. This is a why should I say it? From eBay. I do hope this one will also be good, unlike the blue comets that I looked at recently. Let's just get this over with. This is Baltimore in Ohio, Heavy Pacific. I always wanted a Baltimore and Ohio locomotive because they're pretty much first ever American railroad, aren't they? Alright, there it is. It's wrapped in this bubble wrap. Set that down here. Okay. Right. Now let's get this open, get my trusty blade again, if I need it. That I will. Yeah, alright. Oops, better be careful. I probably won't need the blade. Put that up real quick. There we go. That slid out easily, and that slid out pretty easily too. Alright. Alright, since this side's open anyway, let's go to right here. B&O Heavy Pacific Green. Oh, what do you know? For real, man? And I'm back. What you just saw was a very, very easy fix. I did put the trucks in by themselves. I do hope they're in the right way. If not, hopefully I'll fix them. But yeah, they were a very easy fix. So yeah. Alright, and here's the tender. Baltimore and Ohio. Get that in focus. There we go. Yeah, nothing much left apart from that detail that just came out. Okay, I guess that's like a coupling thingamajig. I heard those coupling things. Sorry, non-shot. I heard that is pretty good for both knuckle couplers and Rivarossi. I mean, hornhook couplers. Sorry if I'm not mistaken. And no, I probably shouldn't be putting this on carpet. I just realized that. Oopsie me. But yeah, there is the engine itself. From what I just saw, I do hope the engine runs. He did say it does run. Please, please work. Please. Right, you're looking at the tracks from a new angle this time. Tender might need some oil. I'll put that in. I'll put some in a second. Man, please work. He did say it runs. I am a bit nervous about this. Okay. I do hope he's telling the truth. Alright. Okay, there it is. Please work. Please. I've been wanting a Rivarossi Heavy Pacific for a while. 3, 2, 1. Well, I'll be. Would you look at that? It runs. It's not perfect, but hey, you know, I will happily take it. For a Rivarossi Heavy Pacific, that is good. I do need to fix this parts of the steam chest. If you can probably see, they're not looking right. But hey, you know, I can take it. I can take it 100%. Might need a touch of oil. I'll definitely fix that. But yeah. And the best part is, I think the camera will pick it up, but to me, it is silent. It is literally silent. I can only hear the wheels on the tracks. To me, it's dead silent. To you, you might hear a little bit of a motor noise, but again, to me, it's dead silent. Sorry, I slid the carpet against the desk there. But yeah. So finally, I have a Rivarossi engine that I'm happy with. Even if I had to touch up a couple things here and there, but hey, it's way better than nothing. I love it. I'm already loving it. Especially if it's Baltimore and Ohio. Well, we can all say this is a pretty good unboxing, apart from the wheels from coming off the trucks and the boiler front coming off, but hey, you know, at least they were a very, very easy fix. So happy I was able to fix them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I certainly did, and I finally have a Rivarossi engine that I'm happy with. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.